Hi, this is a video on the Mpow iSnap Y selfie stick. Now this is a compact selfie stick from Mpow and it is a Bluetooth selfie stick. But before we have a look, we'll go around the box and show you what's on the box. First of all, we have a plain box, plain front with the words Mpow. On the side here, it is normally plain. That is a Amazon barcode that's on the side. Now I bought this off Amazon for $9.99. On the back of the box, I'll bring it closer, are the instructions how to use the selfie stick. Now on the side here, it tells you that it is the Mpow iSnap Y. The battery capacity of the shutter is 60 milliamps. The input voltage DC is 5 volts. The input currency is 120 milliamp. The charging time is 0.5 to 1.5 hours. Now, that's just a bit, 0.5 hours. Now that to me, just under 2 hours it will take to charge from dead the actual selfie stick for the remote control shutter. And underneath it'll say the length is 18 inches or 81 centimeters and the net weight is 140 grams. Now in the box we get the selfie stick and a USB to micro USB cable, which is a flat cable, and the cable when extended out is just over 8 inches long. And now we have the unit itself, the selfie stick itself, and what you get here on the selfie stick is an adjustable lanyard. On the selfie stick we have the shutter button, which is integrated into the selfie stick. It is not like other shutter buttons I've showed you on other selfie sticks where it's removable. This one is integrated into the handle of the selfie stick. And as you can see, it has a foldable design on it. We have a port here to charge the unit up itself here. So we have a charging port there. And the whole handle of this selfie stick has a kind of matte textured rubber to it, which is black. Now I do not know if you can get this in any other color. The ones that I've just seen is that you can get them just in black as it is. It has a sort of a rounded shape to it. It has a kind of square shape profile, if you look, with obviously a tapered end. And we have 3 bumps or dots here, which is just barely for grip and texture. That's all it's for. They don't really serve a purpose of anything to the selfie stick at all. And now we look at the phone mount. Now we have here, which I personally think are great, is an adjustable screw here to tighten the phone mount. Obviously it can go in a complete, I'd say 180, just over 180 it can. And we have a, as I says, an adjustable screw to tighten whatever degree you want the phone mounted on the selfie stick. Now the only drawback with this selfie stick, which I've noticed, that it holds your phone in a landscape position, but if you want to have a portrait position you're going to have to turn the selfie stick, but I will show you that later. The phone mount has rubber, grey rubber, top and bottom, and it is spring loaded, as you can see. Now to pair this Mpow selfie stick, you press down on the button here to when it turns blue, it flashes blue. You go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and switch on Bluetooth and search. If it's an Android phone, if it's an iPhone, it will automatically start searching and it will come up here as Mpow iSnap Y. You click on that, it will ask to pair and you press pair and then it's connected. So now this shutter now is now connected to the phone. Now I'm gonna double back on what I said before. Now I said to you on the box it states that this is 18 inches long. I think that is a misprint on the box, or I've got it wrong, either that or it's a misprint. But between that finger here and that finger here, the selfie stick extends up to 21 inches long, not 18 inches, 21 inches long it extends up to. So between these two fingers, the actual bar, the selfie stick, is 21 inches long. Now I'm gonna put my phone, and this is an iPhone SE, and this can take up to large phones. Just in case you're wondering, it can take the pluses and the Max phones and the Note phones, because my wife has got a Samsung Note phone and it fits in here no problem. So that is no problem on the size of phone what you got, even those phablet phones. Now I'll put my iPhone SE in there to show you. And one thing I like about with this, it does grip it very, very tight. I give it that. It's a very tight grip on this selfie stick. Now, as I said to you, it has an adjustable screw here. So if you want to angle the camera towards you, you just simply, just half a turn, angle it to what you need, then close it back up. Simply close it back up, and there you got it. You got your angle of your phone on your selfie stick. It's nicely balanced. It's nice. There's a nice weight to this selfie stick. As I said, I think it was 120 grams. So it's not a heavy selfie stick. And the rod construction has a dip in the middle, or a bend in the middle all the way down, a channel then in the middle for extra strength. So this ain't gonna bend on you at all, even with the heavier phones. Now I'll straighten that. And now what I says is the only disadvantage, what I could see so far with this selfie stick from Mpow, the iSnap, is at the moment you can take landscape pictures no problem with your phone in that orientation. Now if you were going to take portrait, obviously you'll have to angle it, and if it's at yourself, the only thing is you can't hold it like that. You have to turn the phone, turn the selfie stick so it is like that. So the mount is fixed at landscape. If you want portrait, you're going to have to turn the phone, turn the whole selfie stick. That's the only disadvantage which I could find with this selfie stick. Now to take a shot, we'll see if this one actually does the sound, because some selfie sticks, when you press the shutter button, does not give you the shutter sound of the camera. Some mute it. So we'll see if this one mutes it, or you get the sound of the shutter. So let's go. And that's it. We get the sound of the shutter button operating the camera. And we'll go to video next. So we're on video mode, and I'll press the button to see if we get the sound. And we got the sound, and we'll stop it, and that stops it. So as you can see, we get the sound for the video as well. As I said, some selfie sticks, they actually mute that sound. So they actually mute it. Now I've removed my phone to show you when it's compacted down, it is about 7.5 inches long. My conclusion about this selfie stick is it's a great selfie stick. I like the build. The build of this selfie stick is really great for what you pay for. I would put it in the same league as the Anchor selfie stick and also the JT Web selfie stick, which are another two selfie sticks which I put up there as in being a well-built selfie stick. So this Mpow iSnap Y is a very good selfie stick. Just quickly referring to you, on the back here we have some more dimples or bumps, and that's to add it to its grip. Now, as for the shutter button does switch off just under 5 minutes. It will shut down itself, but it will power down and shut down after just under 5 minutes. But you can manually shut it down by just giving it a long press. The blue light will flash a couple of times and then it will go out. So you can manually switch it off. The shutter button, you can do that. Otherwise, it will automatically power itself down just under 5 minutes if it's not being used. So it will save power that way. And as I says, it's not a bad little selfie stick. And as for you fellas, I've had comments from guys on certain selfie sticks which I've done videos on. Do you think this is a man's selfie stick? Would we be all right with that? With this one, guys, it would be all right with that, because how the look of it and the construction of it and the color of it, you'll be all right with this. And you ladies as well. The fit into your handbags, it's all right to fit into your handbags, and fellas, it's all right to fit into your pockets. Tight jeans, I wouldn't bother with it. Don't bother, because obviously how it looks and the length, so you're gonna get some funny looks. But for your jackets pocket, or your sweatshirt or your hoodie, if you've got a pocket on the front, you're all right with this. So it's a nice selfie stick for you to take on holiday, and if you damage it, you're just losing a tenner. So for a tenner for a selfie stick like this, you can't go wrong. And that is the end of my video for the Mpow iSnap Y. Now, if you've got this particular selfie stick, please let us know down in the comment section what you think of this selfie stick, what experiences you had with this particular selfie stick, if it was worth it for you or if it was not. Please let the YouTube community know who are watching this or interested in it. Let them know what you think. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.